Hey, YouTube. It's it's the Blockers.
We're here today and we're doing another Universally Unbox, and faster this time because we're actually doing it on time.
And this time,
it's from Ukraine.
Woo!
And so we guessed last time it was Russia. So
Trey guessed Russia. You just was like, I'll follow you.
So, and I actually took a peek into this box because I'm allergic to pistachios, so I have to make sure, I'm not going to die eating these. And it looks impressive this time. So we're going to dive on in, and we have...
Oh.
Okay, and just to note, all of these have little... Sorry. little, like, labels on them. I guess because there's no English really on these, since it is in, I don't know, Ukrainian. Is that Russian? So I guess it's just so that we can read something on it. But these say ham and mustard flavored corn puffs.
So it tells you if there's pistachios.
Oh, look like a tater tot. I don't like mustard, by the way.
Ooh, that is strong.
Smells like ham. No! You just took it!
I should only took one, though. I don't like it.
It just tastes like ham.
But it's like infused. It tastes infused or something.
It's crunchy.
I give it a 2.
You're gonna give that a 2?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully nothing else is bad because...
Oh, gosh.
I give that like a 9.
What?
Good. That was good.
You can have them.
Okay. Then we have potato booms. And these ones are onion flavored corn sticks. They kind of look like French fries. It doesn't smell like anything.
Yeah, it does.
It's like a sour cream and onion chip, just
French fry. Like
a French fry, and it's like, it's not hollow or anything. It's a solid, like, stick.
Crunchy.
Yeah. Not bad. Those are good.
I'll give it a 6. 7.
I'd give it a 7, too. That'll work. And then we have the bigger pack, but these ones are corn sticks with potato, veal, and adjika, I don't know, flavor.
You can try those.
Which is the same brand, same everything, just a different flavor.
Just potato boom.
Smells like meat. Why'd you get a little one?
Because this doesn't look very good.
I don't think it's bad. I just think it's weird.
No, that's like a 3. Hi.
I would say it's like a 4.
A 3. Oh, there's 2 of those?
Mm-hmm. So our next one is this Golden Chips potato, which this one is dill and sour cream, and it's got this cool little... Aww. Okay, it's got this little thing. Their package is really weird. Oh. They're like wafers.
Those are weird.
So their package, I don't know how much you can see on our camera. They're like...
Tastes like cardboard.
Oops. Super, super thin. It doesn't taste like anything.
Cardboard. I'd probably give that a 5.
That one had a little bit more flavor.
For sure.
I give it a 3 just for the lack of flavor. Because I like the crunch to it.
I'm just not a fan of their, like, chip stuff.
Don't seem as flavorful. What the heck? So this one did the same thing on the pull tab because this one is, where's the label? Oh, meat jelly and horseradish flavor.
So much meat.
Yeah, evidently they like it over there. But it had a pull tab and it didn't do the same thing.
Just rip it. That's cool, but
I like the packaging and I really like the actual like chip thing. These ones aren't broken. Maybe they are.
I don't like the meat flavor.
I like it just kind of tastes like beef broth.
Yeah.
In a chip, but it's still like it lacks a lot of flavor. It's very
bland.
But
it's like a 4.
I guess I'd give it the same, like a 3, because it doesn't have a lot of flavor. Okay. Do this one. This is waffles curd with a chocolate.
One chocolate.
And it says wafers with cheese curd and chocolate filling.
It looks like
it's like a vanilla wafer. The cheese.
What?
Smells like cheese.
I can't smell anything.
Lucky you. Trey's sick, so he can't smell anything. I had high hopes for this. Here, just take a bite.
It's not bad. That's the best thing in the box so far, for me.
You can
don't
have
even
these.
taste the cheese.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Evidently, you can't because you're sick then. So the initial bite was just chocolate, and then you could taste like the cheese curd filling stuff as like you started eating it more. You can have those.
It's the best in the box. I'm probably gonna give it a 7.5.
I'll give that a 2.
That ham stuff was a 2.
That was probably one of the best things so far.
You can have it.
I will. Okay. Oh. So then we have, I can't read anything on here, but it's caramelized peanuts with puffed rice bar.
Puffed.
Which it looks good, so hopefully it tastes good too.
Hopefully.
Oh, I can't get it open.
Need me?
Maybe. Well, you ripped it from the bad side.
How's that the bad side?
Because you got the label.
So? Oops.
It's like peanut brittle. You didn't even cheers. It tastes like a peanut brittle.
Yeah. And I like peanut brittle.
Not bad. It's not like anything extraordinary or anything. I give it a 6.
7.
A lot of these things are the same brand. This Caillou Bip. Like a lot of this stuff is. Okay, and this one is creamy soft toffee squares. Why can't I not get these packages open?
Got it. Oh my. That ripped off perfect. Ooh. I'll keep that.
That's fine. It's not bad.
You got the ham. That's good.
It's just like a little grainy to me.
Yeah, but I thought you didn't
really
like toffee.
I don't really that much.
That's what I said.
It's not like bad. But like it's very smooth, but it's also like grainy.
I'll give it an 8.
I give it a 5. It's average. So it says dark chocolate and candied fruits. And it looks kind of like bread on it. So I'm not really sure what fruit is on it.
Crouton.
Yeah, it looks
Raspberry.
it looks like croutons. Maybe it's oranges. There's oranges in here. Yep, that's what it is.
Do you need me?
No.
One eternity later.
Oh,
Whoa.
whoa. It's deceiving. It's still big, but
That's
it's
weird.
like...
It's got like a pull tab. Why would you have to... I don't know.
Is that... What's on the bag?
Just a tray.
What? So it's really not even that as big, is it? Wait.
Oh, I got it.
Good job. I'm proud of you. Did you put eating the whole thing? Oh, the chocolate's good. But the fruit. I'm gonna take this piece off. It's kind of sour.
It's very bitter dark chocolate. Which is how dark chocolate is. That's why I was trying to see the percentage.
It's good. It's just different. I'm not used to that. The fruit on it.
I think it's good. I would probably, like you did, scrape some of the fruit off. I don't think it was bad with the fruit.
It's just overpowering.
There's just lemon, limes, and raspberries on here. And so the lemon and lime, the citrus of it, are quite strong. But the actual dark chocolate itself is very good.
I'll give that a 5.
I'll give that a 7 or 8. It's good. Okay. So then we have this Russian dark chocolate. Milk chocolate. Not dark chocolate.
Wow.
And we've got the golden ticket.
What do we win?
Candy. Piece of candy. Oh. Oh.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I squished it too
Caramel.
much. That's deceiving. It did not say anything on here about having a filling. And I just squished it to death trying to open it.
That's not caramel, is it?
I can't read anything on here. I have no idea.
Very good, though.
It's very good, but
Smooth chocolate.
I don't think it was caramel. It was almost like a frosting sugar
Yeah.
taste, but it was creamy. I don't know.
It had the consistency of a
Caramel.
caramel.
It was runnier though. Okay,
All right.
our last one.
This is dark chocolate with caramel and cinnamon mix. Has paste in there, so
Oh, it's got a
this is
little
all
tray.
English.
There's a tray. You gotta dump it out.
I'm Trey.
Maybe. Yeah.
Whoa! Why are we so amused?
They have cool packaging, evidently. Show them. So they're like each individual. I don't know.
Okay, cool.
Pulled out.
But then they have this.
Oh, there's little holes in the back of mine.
Not on mine.
Ready?
Ooh. I can definitely taste the cinnamon. That was good. I like cinnamon. I like caramel.
I
I
think
like
that's
dark
good.
chocolate.
I think that was a 9.
That's a 9. And it's gluten free.
And now we have our yum bag. We have Minky Binky, which is, excuse me, filled toffee. And it looks like there's strawberry, peach, or orange. I'm not really sure. They kind of look, I think peach. And then blueberry. Pick your poison. Sorry,
Well, I
I
guess
did not
that's
mean to
it.
drop it. Okay,
Strawberry.
I'm gonna do peach.
Oh, whoa.
It's still toffee. I said that.
Yeah, but I was thinking it was filled with toffee.
Dang!
Cheers.
I'm scared. Just eat it. All I taste is toffee.
I hit strawberry.
Why did you pick strawberry?
I hit strawberry. I don't hate it. I like strawberry.
I think some people hate it. Oh.
That's good. This is hard to chew when you can't breathe out of your nose.
It's very chewy.
The strawberry one's good. That's good.
It does not taste horrible. But maybe it's just the peach. I'm not really sure. I would just give it like a 4 or a 5.
That's a 9.
Because it was overwhelmingly toffee.
Alright. These are hard to read. They're made by Russian too. But you can't really read that. But they
Oh, it's definitely in Russian.
don't even have. I don't know. Looks like it might be a myth. Let's just open
I'm
it.
not even sure what's on it.
I know. That's
There's like a little like flower looking thing. I don't know how much you can guys can actually.
Whoa! It's pink.
But it just looks like a hard candy.
What's it smell like? I can't smell.
Nothing.
What's it taste like?
Eat it. It tastes like those cough drops that you get as a kid that don't actually help your cough, but they're like little hard candies. I don't know the brand.
Mm-mm. I spit it out. That's not good. You want it?
I don't want it out of your mouth, no. I think that's good. I'm going to spit it out, though, because it's a hard candy. I don't want to crush it.
All right.
What do you rate that? You
3.
really did not like that?
Uh-uh.
What did it taste like to you? It's just like berry.
No, you can have it, man. All right.
Oh, it's barberry.
Well, they can keep it.
Hmm.
This is a ladybird. Squishy. Not hard.
Oh. I thought it was a hard candy.
Oh, it's a ladybug. Just kidding.
That's
Why
cute.
is it weird?
There's something in
There's
it.
something in it.
Oh, mine's different.
What?
Are there different flavors?
What's in there? I don't want to chew.
Just chew it.
No.
Yes. Trey, chew it.
It's oozing out. Look.
Because you ruined
No, look.
I have a little one. Stop! That's nasty.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Ready?
Stop. Mine was orange. It has a weird texture though.
Lime. Lemon. I don't know.
It's probably lemon with lime inside.
No, it wasn't that. Like Zynga.
It was really weird texture.
It was cool. I liked it. Do these have a?
They don't have. They're different flavors, but they don't have any. Like on the outside. There's no identification of what they
That's
are.
the same one as what I just.
Was that one orange?
That's yours.
Okay, we're gonna try the opposite flavor now.
Hold on. Make it.
Quit. Maybe that's why it tasted weird.
What? That's way better.
This is lime or green apple. It's green apple. At least the inside filling is.
The textures of like a booger.
Yes, that's what I said. The texture is very weird.
I've never had a booger, but if I just hit me weird.
It's very
I mean, it's good.
like the taste is good. Yeah,
So I'll give that like a 7.
I'll give it a 7. I'd probably give it more if the texture wasn't
But-
so gooey. Like not gooey in like the sense of like
It's not gooey. It's like the inside's
it's like
gooey, but you don't
slimy.
taste it. It's like when your teeth go through it, it's just like, whoa.
Lean this way.
When your teeth goes through it, it's just really weird.
It's very it's squishy.
I don't know
and
how to-
gooey. Like it's not gooey like whenever you bite into like brownies that aren't cooked all the way. It's like gooey like
It's like not even like how Gushers are. It's
Yeah.
it's softer. I don't know. Anyways, that's a 7.
Yep, I do 7 too. Okay, that was the last thing I think. So
Where's our hint?
Oh yeah. Okay, so our hint for next month is Golden Rocks, Gorgeous Gardens, A Very Holy Wall, Rocky Desert, Salty Seas. This country has it all. We didn't even mention all the yums that you can eat. Popping chocolate, pomegranate, in a special nutty sweet.
India. I don't know.
Desert.
Desert.
What's it? Like the Sahara Desert. Is that Africa? I'm very bad with geography. I said somewhere where there's a Sahara Desert. So I will look up places in the Sahara Desert and see if next month is right. You going to Australia?
I don't know.
Is there a very holy wall in Australia?
That I don't know.
I feel like we're taking longer on this
But
than we
they
did.
said Gorgeous Gardens, Golden Rocks,
See rocks and
Salty
pomegranates.
Seas.
I don't know. We will see next month. Thank you for watching today's video.
Oh, hey, remember there's I don't know, it's like the Red Sea or something where there was so much salt in it.
That's in Europe,
Yeah, cut that
I
out.
think. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a geography person.
Either am I. I hate geography, but well, I don't hate it. I just not.
It could be though. It's a good choice or good guess. I know.
It's a pizza.
Thank you guys for watching
Yeah,
today.
thank you.
And we will be back next week with another video for you. So stay tuned.
Don't forget to hit the
Oh yeah.
don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and make the bell wiggle so you know when we post next.
And thumbs up on this video so that we post more of these because they come in once a month. So have a great weekend, you guys. Bye.